Why, hello. It's time for another Guess What's Inside My Sock. This is our first object. There's the end of it. It's very long. There it is, folks. I think. It might just be a fold. Our first hint is that it can do this. This. I don't know. I think you can get it with that. Well, let's do the reveal. Alright, do you have your answer? I hope you do. Bam! It's a snake. Like a wooden snake. Look at that level of realism. Woo! Woo! That's kind of fun, isn't it? This is our next item. Our first hint is that it's sharp. Our second hint is that it'll really leave a mark. I don't know. I think that's all you need. Let's reveal. I feel like anything else will just give it away, you know? I can't get it out. And there it is. It's a Sharpie. It's a Sharpie. Okay, it's dumb. And this is our last item, right? Our first hint is that it's red. That probably won't help you very much, but it's true, it is red. Our second hint is that this is something you might find in a jail or a prison, something like that. Maybe not. Maybe it's just in the movies, you know? So these are in prison movies, probably. And hint number 3 is that it's an instrument. I think that might have given it away. Let's see what it is. It's a harmonica. Oh boy. Well, there it is, folks. If you got all 3 right, you can call yourself champion of the sock. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.